Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be showing you on how to link your TikTok account to your Facebook page. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our TikTok application first and then go to your profile, click on it at the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on edit profile. This one here and then click on your username. Now we just have to copy our username and then close our TikTok application and then open our Facebook application. Okay, so now we have to go to our profile page. So make sure that your account has been switched to your Facebook page account. So like this. So now click on the three dots at the right corner of your screen, this one, under the add to story, and then click on edit under the page settings. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and then click on add. From here, just click on add social link. Okay, this one under the social links, so you can choose a platform. Okay, so since we're going to link our TikTok, so choose TikTok and then paste the username that you had just copied from your TikTok account. And then right after that, you just have to click on the save option at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, this one, this blue save word. Okay, so as you can see under the links, you can see that your TikTok username has been linked to your Facebook page. Okay, let's check it again. We'll try to refresh. Okay, go back to the, and then scroll down. Now you can see this under the links. It's your TikTok username. So that's it. That's how you can link your TikTok to your Facebook page. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.